how to fix Google Chrome slow download speed. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're also facing your Google Chrome browser download speed decreasing, so first thing what you can do is just head over to your Google Chrome browser and just search in for Chrome // flags, just like this. So once you search in for the following, as I do over here, just you will be getting this option. So again, click on the source flags button over here. So once you search in for parallel downloading, make sure you have enabled this. As you can see, I've already enabled it. So once you enable it, you have to relaunch your Google Chrome browser and your issue should be fixed. So another way or method what you can do is just hit the Windows plus R combination on your keyboard and simply search in for ncpa.cpl, just like this. And once you search in for that, you will be heading over to your Wi-Fi network and simply right click on it and click on properties. So once you're inside its properties, select this internet protocol version option, double click on it and simply over here under the second option that is use the following DNS services, type in the following. So what you need to type over here is at the top row, just type in 1111, just 4 ones, and at the second row, just type in 1001. And once you do that, hit the OK button and restart your computer. And the last thing or last method what you can do is just come over to your search bar and simply search in for CMD and open the CMD and just type in the following. So once you type in the following, simply hit the enter button on your keyboard and just restart your computer and your issue should be fixed regarding the download speed of your Google Chrome browser. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.